Morning, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 15. To this question, the instruction here says complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E, and we are using this instruction to answer question 11 to 20. And to this sentence, the sentence says the dash knocked out his opponent in the third round of the Busk. The dash knocked out his opponent in the third round of the bust. Option A, athlete. Option B, boxer. Option C, cyclist. Option D, driver. Option E, swimmer. So first and foremost, option D and E are out of content because we want to talk of driver. It means somebody who drive a car. When we talk of swimmer, somebody who is professional in swimming. So we cannot debate with option D. And then when we talk of cyclist, a cyclist is a person who rides bicycle. So a buster is a person who engage in boxing or who busk. Then an athlete is a person who engage in sports activities like running, swimming, and so on and so forth. So the word that actually give us a sense of definition of knocking out one's opponent on stage is boxer. So we can say the boxer knocked out his opponent in the third round of the bout. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.